Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to discuss about is data important. So in case you never known how important the data is, and then in case you don't understand what I will discuss in the next 3 minutes, you should watch this video till the end. Is it data so important for us, especially for you who do business, or actually for everyone? Everyone in the world should understand this concept. Okay, first one, imagine you have names of all people. Okay, all people in US. Is it important? I don't think so. Let's say you have all across the globe. Let's say like all across the globe. All across the globe, you have the names, all of it, whatever you store the data, let's say on your database, on your Google Sheet, maybe. Is it important? No. But if I add something classification, let's say names of people in US who have purchased a car. People who purchase a car and then the names of it a little bit more important than only a names all the people on US. But people who purchase a car, little bit have a value on it. And then what if I more specific car who electrical? Wow, now if you have names of people who already bought car with electrical or EV, that's so important. Okay, let's say you marketing of battery. Let's say you are the marketing of anything that's related to the electrical vehicle. That's so important. The names. Later you could search the names on LinkedIn. You can approach them. That's important. Okay, so the thing is, more you specific classification, more the classification so specific, your data will be valuable. Okay, will be priceless. Okay, let's say another example. Okay, that's names. Maybe if you have names, you have no idea how to approach them. Let's say emails. Okay, let's say you have emails all of people in US. Is it important? Not really. Yes, of course you have emails. You can calling or email them, but I believe the success rate is so low, very low, before you got banned from your server. Okay, or you classified by the server of emails as a spam because you emailing all the people on US. Not so important and very difficult to reach. Let's say once again, emails of people on US that purchase cars. Now a little bit value. Okay, it has more value than only emails of people. Let's say we more specific, not electrical. Let's say you have emails of people in US who purchase cars and then who purchase Honda. Wow, who purchase Honda? Now much more important later, rather than only people on US who bought on cars. Okay, let's more specific, be more classification of this data. Okay, the emails of people in US who purchase cars, who purchase Honda, and then who purchase recently, 1 year, let's say, in the last 1 year. Wow. After that, you will realize, okay, for 1 year, people who just purchase Honda, what would they need? Okay, you could imagine by yourself. Let's say perhaps they need an interior, perhaps they need a whatever it is. But the thing is, this video only inform you that the data is so important if it has a classification. The more specific the classification, the more specific the more specific the labeling, the more specific the, let's say, the aggregating, that's more important, the data. Okay, that's it, this very simple video. I hope you could understand what I'm saying, and then if you have any insight from this video, please put on the comment below. What is your thoughts? Please put on the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.